courageous souls fought in the shadow, sacrificing everything, yet remaining unknown to most often. They came from different regions and backgrounds, but shared their common dreams for India. In this roleplay competition, each of us will step into the shoes these unsung heroes. We will bring to life their stories, struggles and dreams that contributed to our country's independence through our performances. We hope to honor their bravery and share their stories with all of you. So without further ado, let's begin our journey back in time, celebrating lives of these unknown freedom fighters and keeping their legacy alive. Who fearlessly and tirelessly participated in the Indian independence movement until she was shot dead. She continued marching despite wounds. She kept chanting Vande Mataram, hail to the motherland. Let us put our hands up together and welcome this Pasha from 1A as Mata Gilihalra. You can take courageous. We are bound not only to live, but to live free. Every woman with courage is not in fear. We are bound not only to live, but to live free. Every woman with courage is Today I am telling about the Arnas of Hari. She born in 1909 in Cork, a small town. She expired in 1996. She is younger of 7 siblings. Her father was a lawyer. Her mother was a homemaker. Arnas of Hari was a Indian independence freedom fighter. She was a vocal advocate for Indian independence. She joined the Indian National Congress Party in the 1930s. She married Asafa Hari, then her name is Arna Asafa Hari. She participated in the Quit India movement, a mass protest movement led by Mahatma Gandhi. She is best known for raising the national flag at Govali Tank in 1942. She got Padma Bhushan in 1992. She got Bharat Ratna in 1997. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm honored to have this opportunity to speak about one of the unsung heroes of the freedom movement. I'm going to character of P.L. Khan, a well and dedicated devotionally who played a significant role in India's struggle for independence. He loved his country very much and he wanted to be free from British rule. Let's see how he fought for freedom. Veer Ali Khan talking to his friend. Veer Ali Khan, why do you always talk about freedom? Aren't you afraid of the British? No. I love my country very much. I cannot sit in chains. We must do something to make India free. But the British are so powerful. No. God is greater than the love. For our motherland, if we unite, we can win. Once Veer Ali Khan was arrested, but he was not afraid. His bravery inspired many people to join the fight for freedom. Even today, we remember him as a great hero. Thank you, Veer Ali Khan, for your bravery. We will always remember you. Thank you all. This basic and this class 1 section. I am born on July 4, 1897 in Andhra Pradesh. My father's name is Venkata Ramaraju. My mother's name is Surya Narayana Amma. I am known as Devesh to Freedom of India. I am known as Manjabi, which means hero of jungle. After observing the good economic conditions of tribal people, I decided to start my movement against British. Luther, I am famous and respected leader. Alluri Sitaramaraja, this is farmers' land. They are backbone to my motherland. They are fighting day, night, summer, rainy season. Luther, why we have to pay taxes? This is not paid for you. My motherland is not safe for you. We are not upset for you. This is farmers' land. Look, Alluri Sitaramaraja heart. If you shoot me, I born again. If you shoot one Sitaramaraja, I born 100 Sitaramaraja. Shoot me, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. And happy section. Today I am telling about Madam Bikaji Kama. Bikaji Kama was a brave freedom fighter from India. She was born September 24, 1861 in Mumbai. She belongs to Farsi Zoroastrian family. Her father's name is Sorati Franti Patel. Her mother was Jedibai Sorati Patel. She married August 3, 1885 to become a lawyer. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, thank you. In Bangalore, I got married at the age of 40. I continued my studies at Queen Mary's College in Madras. I am a social reformer, freedom fighter who fought for human rights. I traveled many countries. In They took my parents and hurt my people. They say opponent's place is to rule her household and raise her children. But I, Velutatia, was not born to kneel before the throne of any foreigner. I was born to rule, to protect my kingdom, my people, and my honor. When the British attacked, my husband was killed. My kingdom was taken away, but I did not cry and give up. No, I promised myself that I would fight back. I would bring my kingdom back. I went to the forest and lived there for some time and gathered many brave men and women. Even some who had never fought before, but they were ready to fight because they wanted their freedom. I said to them, we will fight for our land, we will fight for our freedom, we will fight until we win. This is what I said. If I fall, my daughters will rise and continue the fight. The flame of freedom will never be extinguished. I fought with all my strength because I wanted my people to be free. I wanted them to live without fear. And I am proud, not because I did queen. I thought what was right. Remember that no matter how small you are and who you are, you can always stand up for what is right and always believe that you can make a big difference, just like I did. The fight for freedom is always worth it. Jai Hind! हम भारत की बेटी है, अब भारत की बेटी है, हम भारत की बेटी है, अब उठा चुकी तलवार, अब उठा चुकी तलवार, हम मरने से नहीं डरते, हम मरने से नहीं डरते, हम भारत की बेटी है. The hands that heal the wounds, the soft touch and chores speedy curry, and also the heavy the pains. Fire everyone! And aim a grenade! Yes, हम भारत की बेटी है. We like to everyone. Today I am Captain Dr. Lakshmi Sehgal. Into my journey of independence. I learned my first parenting lesson from my mother, Mrs. Pushpa Nadan, and from my father, Dr. S. Nadan. I was something new at home. My last at the college, so I joined Swadeshi and boy government. I went to Singapore order to provide British government jobs for doctors. When something transformative was waiting for me. Birds fly. नेताजी, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुझे आजादी दूंगा. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुझे आजादी दूंगा. I took responsibility of Rani Jhansi Regiment. So, let's join together for the progress of India. All of you, sing with me together. Kadam kadam badai jab, khushi ki gai jab, zindagi kaum ki dukaan pe rukai jab. Kadam kadam badai jab, khushi ki gai jab, zindagi kaum dukaan pe rukai jab. Vande Mataram. Mataram ki jai. Thank you. I am the freedom fighter of India. Magala Malika Ruchi. Only you people know about me. I never will lives. I was born on 30th December 1887 in Boston. Professionally, I was a lawyer, but my journey did not stop there. I became an author, a politician, and a writer. I was governor of the village in 1952. I founded Maratya Vidya Bhavan in Bombay. I participated in independence movement along with Mahatma Gandhi ji. I also participated with India movement, even at the cost of being arrested for the postcards. I believe I've done to start and strongly opposed of partition of India. When I was Union Minister of Food and Agriculture, Thank you. My name is Deepak Kumaran. I am proud to be an Indian. I want my country to be free by the inspiration of Gandhi, principles and began to participate in freedom struggle and started the group called Deshabandhu Youth Association, and this group includes young people who are willing to fight for India's freedom and organize numerous activity lectures all across Tamil Nadu. The British tried to stop her, but I will never let go of our flag. The British lathi charged me, caught up in the building, severe injuries, even though I entered the tricolor flag and raised the slogan "Jai Vande Mataram." Lakshmana, which is known as fear, and so people hold on the fingers, and he was honored in the title called Kodikata Command. The government of India released the postal stamp on this sacrifice to the nation. Jai Hind. State of Islami. I am Indian freedom fighter and politician. I born in Ambala district of Haryana on 26 June 1908. I became the first woman chief minister in India and the seventh Uttar Pradesh and close disciple of Mahatma Gandhi. I participated actively in the India movement. I played an important role in the talking of Indian And millions of girls and boys coincided with their own life. I coincided my life.
தெரியாது நியாயம் தர்மம் கிடையாது வாத மாற பிடிக்காது வாசம் நேசம் புரியாது ஊரு உலகம் தெரியாது நியாயம் தர்மம் கிடையாது வாத மாற பிடிக்காது வாசம் நேசம் புரியாது வேணாம்பா சாணி நம்மால் இதை தனிப்பாத்தி பார்க்காத விளையாடி கேடிக்கெல்லாம் இவன் கேடி
अक्का तुम्हें देखा रखेंगे धन्यवाद losing their resources and depriving their basic rights. Dear Binoy, dear Dinesh, respected sisters, brothers, brothers in Kolkata, this is killing. Let's attack the secretarial buildings and kill Gibson. Chanting. Now we are just a mass food okay. Lord, today, let's enter the building. There was itself, you are dead. protests led to creation of Andhra Pradesh. I also remembered as a rival of Andhra Pradesh as a symbol of sacrifice and dedication to social cause. Thank you.
सकं विलासि लोकरक्षकं मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा मुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासि लोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं सदाशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् नमामि तं विनायकम् पञ्चरत्नमादरेण योन्मनं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरं गणेश्वरं गणेश पञ्चरत्नमादरेण योन्मनं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरं गणेश्वरम् अनोगतामदोषतां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति अनोगतामदोषतां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति अभ्युपैति
Ignite the spirit. I am Galileo Sakshanarayana. I'm a boy and a freedom fighter. I was born in July 14 in Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh. I envied the Andhra people against the British patriotic song. When Gandhi gave a call to me to participate in the civil protest movement, I left my studies and wrote my famous song. Mukottu Geetala Suratana for which I was training 1922 for 1 year. When I released from the jail, I continued the movement by singing songs in villages. I started to hear in because art is imprisonment. I also spent several years in poverty. Jai Hind. I got an Indian independence movement from 1905. I believe in the power of non-violence. As a 17-year-old, my love for my country is designed to see me from British rule. Finally, today, on September 29, 1942, I'm leading a procession to capture Tamluk police station and establish British government and establish Tamluk government. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Oh, somebody shot me. Come forward, brothers and sisters. Vande Mataram, hail to the motherland. Vande Mataram, hail to the motherland. Sati, who is not courageous enough to take this, will accomplish nothing in life. Hello everyone, I am Aruna Asif Ali. became the first woman mayor of New Delhi in 1948. I was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 1992 and the Bharat Ratna in 1997. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Khudiram was born on 3rd December 1889 in Bengal. He is second freedom fighter in India. After his 9th class, he became a freedom fighter. In his 16 years old age, he planted bombs near police station. In his 18 years, he threw bombs on British Judge King's father. Because of that, while he hanging, he said cancer disease worse than slavery. God protected the Indians. My name is Sokra Reddy. I am studying in first class institution. Today I am talking about Freedom Fighter Customer. Thank you. India must be republic. India must be united. I am Madam Rikati Dustupama, an Indian revolutionary. I took active participation in the Indian independence movement. I was born on 24th September 1861 in Bombay. I am a Bharatini and the one who first designed the Indian national flag. The green color at the top with 8 daughters represent 8 provinces of India. Vande Mataram, yellow strip and salutation to Mother India. The red strip and bottom represents strength. And the first person to hoist Indian national flag in foreign soil in Stuttgart in Germany on 1907. I am known as Mother of Indian Revolution. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Thank you. Kamala Devi Chattopadhyaya was an Indian social reformer and freedom fighter. She was born in 3rd April 1903 at Mangalore. She worked for the promotion of Indian handicrafts and handlooms. She awarded Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan by Government of India. Thank you. Medical doctor, freedom fighter and significant figure in India's struggle for independence India. She was born on October 24, 1940 in Madras and played a crucial role in She married the INA officer Prem Kumar Sehgal. She died on 23 July 2022 in Kanpur. Thank you. I'm studying in first class section. Today I'm going to tell about a player hero named Kobalambi. Kobalambi was player leader and freedom fighter from Telangana. He born in village called Nankapalli. He fought for the rights of his people and wanted them to live freely and happily. He is famous for saying Jai Jangal Jami, which means water, forest, land. Inspires us to be brave, stand up and what is right. Thank you. Sucheta Trikladi. I was born on June 25th, 1908. Ambala, Punjab. Jallianwala Bagh incident disturbed me a lot. At the age of 16, I joined the freedom movement. It was a time where countries are gaining national sentiments and freedom struggle. I was with great leaders Jawaharlal Nehru and Mahatma Gandhi. I took an active part in the Quit India movement and was jailed several times. I was the first woman to become Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh in 1963. Girls should be treated equally in the society. Women should empower themselves by stepping out of the shadows and shine bright with their full potential. I will keep fighting and striving for women's rights, education, equality, and better health care. My writings are women's role in politics, India's struggle for freedom. Education is key to success. Women can achieve anything with a strong willpower and good mindset. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind. Dhanyavad. My name is Shakti Das. I was born in 1904 in Calcutta. I love my country, India, very much. When I was 17, I became a freedom fighter. I want to help my country to become free from British rule. Because I want to India to be free. I was put in the jail. But I did not lose hope. I had to fight for freedom. In jail, I saw Indian prisoners are treated very badly. Thank you. Do you know who am I? I am Neru, the Queen of Avar. I am the warrior queen who stood against the British. When the bad people For the British tried to take over our land, our tradition, and our dignity. I said no, and then did it make it happen? Because this is our heart. I gather my people of our although British defeated us, tried to take over our land. And then we must protect our country. Miss Manya. Good morning, everyone. My name is Manya. Here to present a birthday on Vasanti Devi. Vasanti Devi was a great freedom fighter. Vasanti born on 23rd March 1880. My name is Purvi. I'm studying in first class and second. And today, play the role of Khudiram Bose. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. I am Khudiram Bose, one of the youngest revolutionaries of Indian independence society. I was born in December 3rd in 1889 in West Bengal. My father's name is Trilokanath Bose. He is studied out in town. My mother's name is Lakshmi Priya Devi. Muzaffarpur, Bihar, April 1908. Gonna They are working day and night, dark summer, rainy season and all night. Why we have to pay tax to you? This is not fair to them. My motherland is not sent to you. We are not afraid of you. Freedom is not a charity given by someone. It is our right. Alluri Sitaramaraja is not a that individual. However, they collective force. This is the land of great freedom fighters. Look, this is Alluri Sitaramaraja's song. Shoot me, shoot me. Infant Sitaramaraja dies. Lakhs of Sitaramarajas will be born, and they will collapse your British Empire. Shoot me, not there. Shoot in my heart. You bloody British dog.
వందే మాతరం. Guys, వందే మాతరం.
Thank you. Public address for delivering letters have been to other fighters. I won on 1912 from Nala. Namaste, district. My father name is Param Singha and mother name is Devika Devi. When I was 38 years, started independent day. I have participated in India movement. When the war given Mala for I was all arrested. Nala for 6 months and went to religion. In 1932, I was honored with the Tamara Copper Patra by delivering by Government of India. Memorial was given in Nala for 6. Nala, on February 12, 1991, I present Nala. Thank you. On behalf of the classroom team, I, Aradhya Verma, the sports captain of Junior School Campus, would like to thank esteemed judges who have given their valuable time. We are truly honored by your presence amidst us. We are grateful to our respected Chancellor, Mr. Malkajan Rao and Mrs. Martha Malkajan Rao for giving us an amazing opportunity. It has always been our pleasure to thank our beloved principal, Mrs. Seshu Lakshmi, and academic head, Mrs. Bharti Lakshmi. I also thank our headmistress, Mrs. Srimantini, and deputy chief coordinator, Mrs. Vanita, for supporting and guiding us. I thank our office superintendent, Mrs. Annie, for all the wonderful arrangements. I thank all wonderful coordinators and teachers. I also thank our admin staff for their untiring support. I thank our dearest parents who have shown tremendous trust in the school, which has always been a motivation for us to reach this end. I also thank our super strong, patiently, hardworking drawing teacher, Mrs. Deepthi, for her wonderful contribution. I thank all technical support and floor in charge, Mr. Sudhakar, Mr. Vijay, Mrs. Mamta, Mrs. Vaishnavi, security and sub-staff for their cooperation. Last but not least, I thank all the classroom teachers and students who have always been proactive, hardworking and dedicated to make every event a grand success. I once again thank